Very good morning. This is Jyotirmay, Department of Biology. So today I came with the topic weather, climate and adaptations in animals. So in these, today we will discuss about climatic conditions. Okay. So what is climate? Climate, the temperature which is maintained, the temperature which is observed from past 25 years. So, the climatic condition is about the temperature which is maintained from past 25 years is called climate of that area. Got it? The temperature which is maintained from past 25 years or from many years. From many years, the temperature which is maintained in an area, then it becomes a climatic condition of that area. For example, if I ask you about Kodaikanal, Ooty, Darjeeling, Simla, Jammu and Kashmir, immediately you say the climatic condition is cool there. If I ask you to look at about the Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Rajasthan, immediately you start saying that environment conditions are so hot. So how you can say these points? Based on the condition which are maintained from many years onwards, the temperature, average temperature which is maintained there, based on that we say whether it is cool condition or hot condition or moderate temperature. So, what are the factors responsible can maintain the, what are the factors influences the climatic conditions that we look at now. So, the climatic conditions which are, the factors which are responsible for the maintaining of climatic conditions are, the first thing I will try to tell you, that is latitudes. Latitudes are responsible for maintaining of climate condition. And next one, latitudes, sea level. Sea level helps in maintaining of climatic condition, and as well as altitude, high places. Even sometimes monsoon wind pressure also can sometimes affect on the climatic conditions. So what are how they impact? Just I will try to explain you. So basically, first I am coming with the latitudes only. Latitudes basically, if you look at it the globe, so the center portion is always become an equator. Am I right? And the remaining all are latitudes. And from here, if you look at about, and this is North Pole, South Pole, right? North Pole and South Pole. So, this is equator, we know it, which is center portion. The area equator, actually the sunlight falls direct on it. Sunlight falls direct on it. So, due to the falling of sunlight direct on it, the temperature you can expect is extreme hot there. That's what, near the equator area, the most conditions are too hot. That's what we say, that is a hot climatic condition. And when you look at about the latitude which are moving far upwards and downwards of the equator, which are being distance, the distance which is maintained from latitude area actually, also decides the temperature here. How? For example, which are exactly center, they are hot. But when you are going the distance between the equator to the other areas, when sunlight falls on it in a slant. And when you look at about the north poles, 6 months, 6 months, we can see sunlight, 6 months no sunlight, dark it is purely. So due to that reason, here the temperature conditions when you are moving forward and upwards, the temperature is maintained. For example, you look at from equator when you are moving far, slowly the temperature start reducing to the pole areas, it become more cool areas. Got it? So that equator and the latitude also are causing effect on maintaining of climatic conditions here. This is one thing. And next one, sea level. When you look at after many years of the raining, the water of on earth started depositing in the lower areas by combining with some minerals and deposited in a lowest area that now we are calling seas and oceans. And a sea and ocean of the area become a sea and ocean of the. So now sea level is the lowest area. So that always we have to look at the climatic conditions around the sea level area. The area where sea level present, that area will become a hot condition. Am I right? If it is a sea level, for example, the surrounding of the sea level area be hot, and which are moving forward of the sea level will be cool. And here sea level also affect on the climatic conditions and sometimes altitude also. Just now I said, for example, where sea level is the lowest area, there the climatic condition is hot. Then slowly when you are going to the high levels, like one upon another, and when distance is more, then it be cool. Do you understand? So here for this I'll give you a small clarification. Example, if you look at about the Kerala and Tamil Nadu, which are near of the sea level, so that they are too hot or humid majorly. When you look at about the Jammu and Kashmir or Ooty, Kodaikanal, when you look at about, they are far from the sea level and are also they are high and peak level. Is it clear? So here climatic condition of an area is decided by the latitudes, sea level and altitudes. Got it? So by this way the temperature of that area is maintained. Is it clear, students? So here we will discuss about remaining thing in our next class. So these way the climatic conditions are maintained. So in last class I forgot to tell you about the weather condition. In a weather, the weather report is given by the weather reporters actually. So how they give it weather report, you know, if tomorrow and if the reporters who are giving report, by looking of the around surrounding conditions and the temperature and the clouds, rainfall, based on that all looking about it, they give the weather report. How they give it weather report? For example, what is the sunrise today? What is the sunset today? What will be the moonrise, moonset? And as well as what is the humidity and what is the temperature, minimum temperature and maximum temperature. What is the humidity? Minimum humidity, maximum humidity. And there is a rainfall or not. All these they give it forward information. So it's today's work I gave in the classes, people those who are regularly coming to the school. For them I gave the work and they are doing it. You also do that. That is, at home, collect the newspapers which are present from 7 days. Okay? Like now today is Thursday, right? Sorry, today is Thursday, that's all. Wednesday. So today is a Wednesday. And you have to check your papers from Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Right? Total how many days became? 7 days. So for these 7 days, from these 7 days, what is the temperature? Minimum temperature, maximum temperature. And what is the sunrise, sunset, moonrise, moonset. And as well as what is the humidity? Minimum humidity, maximum humidity of these 7 days, collect it from the newspaper and write down. Newspapers ante everyone you get Deccan Chronicle, Sakshi, Inadu, or Andhra Jyoti, Namaste Telangana, like different papers you get it, right? So from the different papers, get the information. A side of that they will give a weather and climatic conditions. Just look at that and write it in a table. Is it clear? And that write it as a table and try to submit me now WhatsApp, my personal WhatsApp. Is it clear, student? And I am finding some of the students are not giving attendance. Just please give your attendance and as well as listen to the class properly. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Enjoy.